Hello guys, welcome back to my channel BS Tech. Today we will do third exercise of SOLIDWORKS learning 2D to 3D model. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we will click on part environment. Okay, then check our drawing. We will create this model from front view. Okay, we will create this first from this view. This is 60 mm. This is it is 20. There's two dies, 20 and 40. Okay, so minimize this. First of all, change the unit first. Okay, then click on extrude front plane, then take rectangular. It is 60 mm. It's 20 mm. This is tangent. Okay, big dies 40 mm, small dies 20 mm. Okay, do it. Okay, guys. Radius 10 here. Okay, guys. Now we will extrude it. It is complete 40. 20. It is just half, okay, of this. So we will extrude it up to 20. Now we'll extrude this part. This is 10 mm. Okay, extrude up to 20. Click on extrude, select this face. Okay, then click okay. It is also 20. Our model is ready as per our drawing. Okay, so let's color this. Okay, guys, the model is ready. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, okay, for more videos. Thank you.